Morning guys, how's it going? It's Ray from CMA, and I'm digging into the Porsche, and I mean I'm digging in. I'm doing the suspension portion, the torsion tube area right now, and it was really bad. So let me get you caught up. So I ordered some replacement parts from a couple of sources, and I'm now trying to get them to fit. So the first piece I made, and there's a whole bunch of things that I had to do in prep for this. So when this tube goes back in, and when I take it out, it has to go exactly back where it is there now, because a lot of things ride on this tube. The suspension, the engine mounts up to it, the torsion arm goes on there. There's a lot riding on this thing, literally. So it's got to go back exactly where it's supposed to be. So I made some templates to show me exactly where it's supposed to be, up and down from here to here, and all kinds of craziness. I made this bracing piece to go underneath it, which is exactly the height of right here. So what I started off with, after I made all the templates and everything that I had to locate tube, this is the first piece that I did. Now this is a piece that I had purchased, and it's not bad, but again, it gets you close, and you're the one who gets it there. So this is the piece. I had to correct the edges here. The lines were not correct, and down here I had to make it correct. That's what goes right in here. Now I made a template that shows me exactly where these studs are supposed to be from the floor, so I know exactly where it's supposed to fall. The second piece I made, now you would think that they would at least stamp the pieces of metal that are supposed to be in their location somewhat. Well, not true. So I made a cardboard template of this area. There's three sections, there's three layers here. There's this outer piece that I just showed you, there's this inner piece here, and then there's this other piece here, which is the inside. So this is the inside, this is the middle, this is the outside. So I made this template for the middle piece. So that's gonna go right there like that. So once that's in there, I took this and I put it on the piece that was provided. Now the piece that was provided looks like this. It's completely flat. So I took the template, I put it over the hole where it best fit, because I had plenty of extra metal, and I cut this shape from this piece. But this piece is flat. This area piece here is not. This piece here is supposed to look like this. There's nothing flat on this piece. I had to make this from this. Yeah. Okay, so this goes in like that. It's close. I gotta do a little touch up, but it's ready to go. And now I'm putting this piece in. This is the inside piece. So this is going here. So a lot of times, like I said before, I let the car guide me and tell me what to do. So this piece is going to be here. Now this piece it's stamped, but it's not correct. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to clamp this piece onto the body. One here to get me up top. Another one up here to keep it close. One here inside this ridge, which I already started to stamp in place. And you want these kind of tight too. And this one, put that one down here. It's pretty close. So now what I'm doing is a lot of space here. So it's probably a good ½ inch or so. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tap in a lot of different areas. Move the vice grips around. As it gets closer into position and shape, move the vice grips closer to where they need to be. See how it pulls it in? It's going to pull it into closer to the shape. So once it's got pressure on it, it'll more easily conform. Now this tube has to come out. There is a solid weld around the tube itself, which is preventing this patch from going all the way in. So once I get it mostly in shape, I'll take it off and I'll set it in place. You just want to keep tapping until you hear it's solid. Trimmed off up here to match the inside because the middle piece has to go over that. Obviously it's a very concentrated hit, but if I want to push the whole thing in, I want to spread out the impact. This being a little tiny ridge inside here, I want to keep concentrated. Solid to me. Yeah. So I'm sorry, the weld is on the back side, so I can push that in closer, but I'll do that while it's off. And then I might have to reshape the circle a little bit. It's getting tight. So now you can see that this is now closer. I'm gonna have to do this a couple more times. But anyway, that's your patchwork 101 lesson for the morning. And I'm gonna keep going. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in, checking out the videos, and everybody have a blessed day. Check us out on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and any other social media site that we'll jump onto at any time in the future. Guys, thank you so much. You'll have a blessed day. Take care. Bye.